Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers cheap Dewey-Humboldt local and long-distance movers near me. A lot of people usually have a hard time transporting their belongings when moving. It's not because they have poor organizational skills, but because relocation is a naturally stressful process. After selecting a preferred location and making the payment, moving your belongings to your new address is very tasking. So regardless of you knowing how to make plans, you need to hire expert movers to handle your move. A competent moving company has adequate staff and equipment to plan and conduct a smooth move. You can also get access to a qualified moving company without spending unreasonably. The ideal moving company for your relocation is 3 Movers. We perform excellent moves at affordable rates. We have set up operations in Dewey-Humboldt, AZ, so that residents can have easy access to top-of-the-line moving services. We have a long list of satisfied clients because of our ability to build excellent working relationships with our clients. Many movers have distance restrictions, and they may not be able to travel over long distances. At 3 Movers, we offer local and long-distance moving services in Dewey-Humboldt, AZ. We have exciting moving packages specially prepared for you. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Dewey-Humboldt moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.